Hey guys, Swepco Rad Performance here. I just want to do a short video. This is an old wheel balancer. It's an Accu-turn. I believe that it's an Accu-turn. You can see the old tape. Accu-turn 6000. It's a really good unit. It's been serving me well for decades. That's right, decades. There's nothing wrong with it. Just every now and then, you may get a PIC fail. It'll say right here, PIC FAIL, PIC fail. And I found, if you ever run across it and a quick fix, there's a balancing shaft that goes through the machine into the counterbalance. A lot of times as you're trying to mount the tire, this screen will go into a PIC fail. And I noticed that if you just take one of the heavy lugs here and tap on it, it will trigger this to go back to the numbers. Because if you get the PIC fail, the whole unit is just seized. You can't touch the screen, it doesn't do anything. You can turn it on and off, it just comes back to PIC fail. So I think it has to do with the movement. Also, it could have to do with in here, the floor is not perfectly level, so it may vibrate as it's spinning. But that's just something, I didn't see anything on YouTube, so I just wanted to put a quick video and let you guys know that. PIC fail on an Accu-turn, give a couple of solid taps on the counterbalance, and then it should reset this so you can go back and go ahead and balance your wheels, okay? Please like and subscribe. Rad Performance, Swepco. Thank you.